Hey guys, myself Dr. Diksha. Today I am delighted to stand before you to introduce the Advanced Physiotherapy and Chiropractic Clinic, a proud unit of Mannat Physio Care. Today we embark on a journey that merges cutting-edge technology with compassionate care, setting new benchmarks in rehabilitation and wellness. At our clinic, we are proud to offer a comprehensive array of advanced therapies and state-of-the-art equipments aimed at enhancing recovery and improving quality of life. Our approach integrates the latest in medical technology with personalized treatment plans tailored to meet the unique needs of each patient. Our clinic boasts a range of innovative treatments that include: firstly, advanced ILEX laser therapy, a non-invasive treatment that accelerates healing, reduces inflammation, and manages pain through the application of advanced laser therapy. This therapy is ideal for a wide range of conditions from sports injury to chronic pain management. Secondly, Advanced Shockwave Pro 1000, which utilizes shockwave therapy to effectively treat musculoskeletal disorders by promoting tissue regeneration and pain relief. This therapy is particularly beneficial for conditions such as tendinitis and joint pain. Thirdly, cryotherapy. Cryotherapy involves exposing the body to very cold temperature for several minutes to reduce inflammation, improve recovery, enhance circulation, boosted metabolism, and skin health. Our combination therapy machine utilizes a range of specialized equipments including transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, interferential therapy, muscle stimulator, static and dynamic ultrasound, Russian current, Faradic current, and SD curve technology. These modalities further enhance our ability to provide personalized care addressing diverse rehabilitation needs with precision and effectiveness. This versatile equipment allows us to tailor treatment plans to the specific needs of each patient, ensuring optimal outcomes. The Vital PT Foot and Posture Assessment, a specialized evaluation conducted by a physical therapist to assess and improve foot mechanics and overall posture. It involves foot structure analysis, gait analysis, foot function testing, static posture evaluation, dynamic posture evaluation, and muscle imbalances. It also involves REGO games, also known as rehabilitation games, designed to make physical therapy and rehabilitation more engaging and effective. They often use interactive technology to help patients improve their foot function and strength in a fun and motivating way. Additionally, the Cura Motion Magnetic Shoulder Exerciser enhances shoulder rehabilitation using magnetic therapy, facilitating increased range of motion and strength for patients recovering from shoulder injuries or surgeries. Beyond these advanced therapies, we offer holistic approaches such as cupping therapy and dry needling, which are effective in releasing muscle tension, improving circulation, and supporting overall recovery. At our clinic, we prioritize excellence in pain management strategies tailored to individual needs, ensuring comfort and well-being through the healing processes. Furthermore, we are dedicated to providing specialized geriatric care focusing on the unique health concern of elderly patients. Our programs are designed to enhance mobility, prevent falls, and improve overall quality of life for our senior community members. Together, our team combines years of experience, advanced training, and a commitment to patient-centered care. We are here to partner with you on your journey to recovery and optimal health. In conclusion, I invite you to explore the Advanced Physiotherapy and Chiropractic Clinic and experience the difference in healthcare excellence. Whether you are recovering from an injury, managing chronic pain, or seeking preventive care, we are dedicated to helping you achieve your health goals with compassion and expertise. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to serving you and your loved ones with dedication and care.